Not into it.
Not into it.
Well, I mean, it's moving that way. The core is probably right to the northwest of it where we're moving right now.
Well, we're staying with the same speed as the tornado. It's not going to catch us. And
I don't want this thing dropping fucking huge hail on me.
I know that.
What? There's an east road up here. I don't know what it is.
East Road? Why do we want an East Road when it's moving?
Get out of the way. Get out of the hail. Yeah.
Wow, holy shit.
Yeah, we're good.
I guess stay here. I mean, we can't really do anything else.
Well,
There's
plus
really
it's
not that
worse
big of
than
hail.
Yeah, where's the hail? Which way is this thing going?
It's stationary.
Just here.
This road
Here.
turned into it?
Here.
Or did it cross the road?
I think it may have crossed the road, but I'm not
Oh
entirely
yeah,
sure.
it crossed the road.
Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's got to be on the other side of the road.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, this thing is not going to see it.
I mean, everyone else is going the other way.
Yeah, it's just stationary. Just,
I don't know where to go.
I mean, the only thing I can think of is if you just go south of it. There's another funnel right there.
Yeah, see.
You go south of it?
Yeah, basically I don't know what's down there. I don't know what kind of hail is down there. I just don't know. I don't have the radar.
I don't have seen the right one. Everyone else is going the other way. Shit, some people are just...
Where does this road go?
Due south. Goes due south.
No, it turned back.
It's curving.
I can't even tell which way the tornado's going.
We'll follow the power lines, sort of.
Is it retrograding?
It might be.
Whoa. Yes.
Yeah, get out of the way. So if you come back to the south, and here the hills get smaller, and which there's a marble hailstone on my back. I just think you just should be hail and then just go south.
I think it's dissipating anyway.
Bend back just a tick, but
It's
it basically
dissipating
goes
right now,
south.
right? Is it splitting?
Okay, if it gets back to the right, we can Alright, just keep chugging.
Wow, that house got lucky.
Okay.
This should all be RFD. Just sit here.
Wow.
This is incredible.
Yeah, we can
This
beat
is
it
an
hard.
incredible tornado.
We sure it's not moving towards us?
Yeah, just sit here and just watch this thing.
Are we sure it's not moving towards us?
Yes. I think.
Ryan,
Go a little further.
don't give me that shit, man.
It might be just...
Well, it shouldn't. Yeah, it should be moving to the north, but it's kind of just been wobbling around a little.
It's freaking stationary. It's been in that same spot.
Yeah. You just want to park
clear got everything we needed.
Yeah, there's nothing else we could.
Exactly.
Wow, that's incredible.
This is just stupid to stay here at this point.
We're out of the way of it. We're fine. We're actually fine.
Pull
It's
over
just-
where they are.
Yeah, it's basically the only risk at this point is hail getting wrapped around the corner. We're out of the way of the tornado. The tornado's stationary or going to be moving north. Or if anything, west.
Where are they going? Like,
Yeah.
Yep.
You turn the pole right in. No, put the camera right there. Sit it.
Yeah, here's the camera.
Alright. Right.
about it.
Yeah.
Right now,
I see small hail, but
small heel's better.
yeah, I saw it's probably about
With
it's probably
60
about
mile-an-hour winds. Oh,
it's probably about quarter ping pong.
yeah, back down.
It's ping pong.
Back south.
Yeah, sophomore.